Hello friend, today we are going to see an elementary school classroom in a slum written by Stephen Snyder. He is a British poet. Through this poem, he threw a light on the poverty of students, the bad condition of the school, and their pathetic condition, and they have dark future. So through this poem, we are going to learn that the students who are living in a poverty in a slum area, they don't have any future. So let us see, right? Now in poem, in the beginning, the appearance of the students show that they are unwelcome. They are not welcome by anybody. The kids are having depressed facial expression. They have unhealthy bodies, and these unhealthy bodies inherited from their parents. At the end of the classroom, a kid is sitting having bright eyes that fill with dream, and these students are sitting near the window and dreaming, but it's out of reach. The classroom has a dirty and muddy walls. Many people have given so many things like multiple charts, images for putting on the wall. A poster is there of Shakespeare. His head is bald and his face or look like a rising sun. The second poster is of Tyrol Valley. Further, another one is that world map. And for these children, the world is not as they see in picture. For these students, the world is the same that they see outside of the classroom through these windows. Right? So these children are stuck in a slum area. They are stuck in that poverty. They have dim and hopeless future. They have all dark and depressing future. Even they have option in life, but that are imperfect, not perfect, and even disappointing, depressing future. They are far away from the light of knowledge. They don't have knowledge. Even they are not reaching to the knowledge. So, my dear friend, to understand these pictures is out of their abilities, right? Further, these kids hate everybody, and for them, Shakespeare was a good man. Maybe they don't see who is Shakespeare, as nobody loves them. Even they dislike everybody, and for love and force, they do the crime like a robbery. Even the children are so thin, their bones and skeleton are clearly visible and seen through their bodies, and anyone can see that their bones and skeleton are very thin. This is because of lack of nourishment. They don't get proper food. They don't get proper things. This is the area where they are living, facing the tough problem, difficulties, right? The glasses that are made of steel and are cheap, and the glasses they wear are quite heavy and uncomfortable for them, right? If these are the problems, so definitely the probabilities for achievement, their dream and want and move out of this poverty has again and further reduced by the government who makes the building bigger shanty towns. If they don't come out of this slum, they will never have to get about the world outside. If they don't come out of this slum area, slum poverty, so definitely they will never get to know about the world outside, how the world is that. What type of the world is that? Even government system that create these slum areas and shanty towns is a major cause of these slum people and poverty. And these people are living there. The students are having right to dream out of these slum, but they are not given this right. Government limit and restrict them and these students. Poet here appeal to authorities and government. Let them go outside of this slum and need to see outer world. right? The map on the wall of the class will definitely reality for them if they go out to the field to see the greenery and sunny atmosphere and the warm sand of the beach, right? Then and then they will see the reality, right? If these children will get to learn, definitely these children will become automatically or economically authorized and become powerful. But they are restricted. Even they don't know what is the knowledge. So somewhere they are hunger for knowledge also. So from this point, my dear friend, we learn that the condition of these children, slum children, is pathetic, very worst. At the same time, their future is disappointing, dark. Nobody is caring, right? The same way, we see that the lack of education in proper way is also affecting them. So poet appeals them and makes this appeal as strong as possible to this poem so that government authorities will come out, right? तो दोस्तों इस पोएम में स्लम एरिया के बच्चों के बारे में कहा गया है, जहां पर उनका अपीयरेंस, उनका रहन सहन ही कह रहा है कि वो कितने मुसीबत में है, उनका फ्यूचर ही कुछ नहीं है, उनके शरीर से पता चलता है कि उनके पास ना कोई फ्यूचर है, ना कोई उनके लिए कोई है वहां पर। उनकी स्कूल के वॉल वहां पर वो बैठे हैं, यदि कोई बच्चा खिड़की के पास बैठता है तो वो खिड़की से बाहर की दुनिया देखना चाहता है, ये देख रहा है। उनको बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती है, जैसे मल्टीपल, मतलब बहुत सारी इमेजेस मिलते हैं, पिक्स मिलते हैं, पिक्चर्स मिलते हैं, फोटोज मिलते हैं। उसी में शेक्सपियर का भी फोटो मिला है जिसको दीवार से टंगा हुआ है, उनको पता नहीं शेक्सपियर कौन है। इसी तरीके से उनको टाइलोरिस वैली का भी मिला है, पता नहीं ये कहाँ पर है। उनको वर्ल्ड मैप का फोटो भी दिया गया है, लेकिन उनको पता नहीं कि वर्ल्ड मैप ये सही में रियलिटी में है या खाली सीन है। उनको तो पता है खाली ये सीन है, बल्कि कुछ नहीं है, राइट? वो वर्ल्ड को अपनी खिड़की से देखना चाह रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं उनकी दरिद्रता और उनके इकोनॉमिकल सिचुएशन को दिखाया गया है। दोस्तों आगे पॉइंट कहते हैं कि उनके शरीर से पता चलता है कि कितने उनकी हड्डियां वो पूरे पूरे दिख रहे हैं, उनको अच्छी तरीके से खाना नरिशमेंट नहीं मिल रहा है। वो जो ग्लास है, जो स्टील से बनाए गए, वो बहुत सस्ते हैं और यही बच्चे पहनते हैं, लेकिन वो अनकंफर्टेबल और हेवी है उनके लिए, राइट? उनको कहीं ना कहीं अपनी फ्यूचर पता ही नहीं, एकदम डार्क है, अंधेरे में है। तो यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं गवर्नमेंट भी जवाबदार है, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट ऐसे झोपड़पट्टी को बना रही है और प्रमोट कर रही है, और इसी की तरीके से इन बच्चों को अच्छा एजुकेशन नहीं मिल पा रहा है, राइट? और गवर्नमेंट स्लम एरिया को बढ़ावा दे रही है, ये बड़ा कारण है जहां पर लोग रहते हैं, राइट? स्टूडेंट्स को कोई राइट नहीं उनके ड्रीम या सपनों को देखने का या बाहर निकलना, राइट? गवर्नमेंट यहाँ पर उनको रोक रही है, राइट? पोएट यहाँ पर अपील करता है कि प्लीज इनको बाहर ले जाइए, यदि सही में जो मैप दिया है उसको सही में करना है तो इनको बाहर ले जाना जरूरी है, इनको बाहर की दुनिया दिखाना जरूरी है, इनका नॉलेज बढ़ाना जरूरी है, राइट? यदि ये नॉलेज इनको सीखने के तरीके मिल जाए, आगे बढ़ने के तरीके मिल जाए, तो ये इकोनॉमिकल और सोशली अच्छे पावरफुल बन सकते हैं। तो इस पोएम का कहीं ना कहीं उद्देश्य है कि इस गरीब बच्चों की या स्कूलों की कंडीशन दिखाने की कोशिश की कवि ने, राइट? और अपील की है ऑथोरिटीज को, गवर्नमेंट को और अच्छे लोगों को, क्योंकि कम से कम वो आगे आए और इन बच्चों के लिए कुछ काम करे। थैंक यू, और रीड कीजिए। चलिए, थैंक यू।